Mot madit yo dik matin bot kagaluo murumu kabedo ko wen chake ki tegang baka naka welo mawako yo laya umegina kilo megina amor wuo in general an KRISTO HUMMER la luoro odore imene yo dik matin nindo achiel meduma dek mwaka alibario kipiario wi adek lok doga tin bino mapuonyo kagaluo ni ripe pere tek la bon ripe moni manok ma wan wadwake ilobo paluo unu ngoma pado chero la bon ripe moni manok ma wan pa wadwake ilobo luo unu ngom mati la mo ochero ripe moni manok ma wan kano pa wadwake ilobo acholi unu pego pa kagaluo no pe betum unu young generation ma megwa dire ma geberi wi okoro pedong geberi ngom lok pa ngom parte pege ye lok pa ngom parte pege ye peti ngom mo lo ba choli ma kichoe ni man ngom eni kilwonye ni NRM man ngom eni kilwonye ni people power man ngom eni ni kilwonye ni FDC ngom mati lobo paluo president ma Paul maguloy Uganda go karo mapego kwanyo dong in kit president mo ke kan mai tika biro me loy lobo Uganda ka itamo ni bi kwanyo ngom paluo polkare kwanyo ne peyot wangeyo ni wunu tuko ko ki wilu dirwa lu diru ruodi we an wilu gero lu diru ruodi we an gedo atok bodge MPs ma megwa makubiri chan giti loj o wilu gero dakbero miyo chene madongo ento an machalo KRISTO HUMMER ng'eyo ni chene ma uno miyo ene kiboto kuno won machalo loroke ochoyo karatache odong kilong madire maja ka kom MPs egini birwen nyoko magitaro odige kilonyo gi wen bibedo palutino won lorok dier ma president ga tikere ikom lubol kui president ga tikere ikom kagaluo ene dier achiel ma president obetiyo kere ikom won make wilu won machalo diero ruodi won machalo diero MPs ma wano yer won me konyo kaga won ma ole ngogli tik beru chalo bie po donyi porro odeg yenyo wa yar bie uneno ka nyoge tika porro ki porro li chan endo deg yenyo yar bie mene ko bie wego dong ne wan lo tiena wa nek bie pe balo wan wa bi yenyo line me bie eno ne wang ma wanego ka lok ne porro wa bie ma bio bet ka chama nyoge porro wa pe betwere tuma pe wa muodo ngwen eno no jemi me porro wa tika chiek gonya ni tuma pe wa bolo kui ka pe lok pa ngom pa luo tuma pe wa chwako ga mende pa ngato mo ken piene dano beri ngom wa president beri ngom MPs gi beri ngom ministers gi beri ngom dak bere gi puri ngom gen wengi tiki fam ina nga mai biro ka kwanyo ngom pa lobol kui ina nga mai biro ka kwanyo ngom pa monto ina nga mai biro ka kwanyo ngom pa lutieno ki ina nga mai biro ka kwanyo ngom pa lugoro matilo go paluo no idek pe ke luong in ni president no idek pe ke luong in ni MP no idek pe ke luong in ni minister teke ajiji mai wi odwaro in ni bin ka kwanyo ngom paluo no idek ni dan po beri patini ilobo paluo ana chwako mada lok dog dano madano tika lok ne ni acholi wange go bolo kui mada bot an atika chero ka dwako puoj bora chuli pe bolo kui ma chuli bolo bot an dwako puoj ki dwako ki chwalo na banya me kwanyo ngoma pa dwako puoj ki dwako ki chwalo na banya me kwanyo ngoma pa ko ki bolo bol kui ma go boli kui ma itika claiming ni go boli kui weke karo kui ma be tika dwako puoj bot gi naka nena wajo ni loka ngom parte peye an ka loka ngom you better call me that I'm the rebel NRM. If because of our land, in a Luo land, you better call me the rebel NRM. I don't care. I don't care. Call me KRISTO HUMMER is the rebel NRM. I don't care. Because after voting His Excellency Museveni, I need to come back to my land. After voting Odonga, after voting Olanya Gilbert, after voting Akol, after voting Todwong Richard, after voting General Otemawany, I have to come back in my land. I cannot vote President Museveni, then I go to Rwakitora or I go to State House. I cannot do that because I have no land in the State House of Uganda. I have no land in Rwakitora. So after voting His Excellency Museveni Kagota, I have to come back to my land, which is there in Lamour. Biro nining, dak winye nining, ni initika kwanyo ngom paru bol kui, magena gi bolo kui bori. For example, ando nga yer president noko, ni ubet president me Uganda. Anda kameru charka kwanyo State House of Uganda. Anda kameru charka kwanyo parliament noko me Uganda. Kakwena kama president dong gube laro lok me kwanyo kwa padana ye. Kakwena kama president do be guako lok ko manywele me Uganda. Kadong ana chara kwanyo State House ana chara kwanyo parliament Eno ni meaning kumano His Excellency President Museveni. Ini mero kwanyo kama lo bol kui gitori e doggi kadong ini bino ke gwero iri kui ini mero kwanyo neo. Ki wajo ni development bino. Dak development polkare kelo chwe chwiny unyo kelo yom chwiny bene. Eto pe mi development o kel chwe chwiny bor lo bol kui. Kano kino ni ngom mati ya pa lonyo ti tere. There's another way me miyo yom chwiny bor jo magitigi ngom iloba pa. Yo pol tutwal. Me miyo igi chiente maweko wigi wilo kocha jo mapege kwanyo ngom ki bodgi. Unyo jo mapege wilo ngom ki bodgi. Unyo jo mapege compensating gen mecher kabero kamo kenne. Lupe kichulu chene madit bodgi. Ento man 10 million. 10 million. Eno ni chiente malutini pa minister polkar gi chiero kere supermarket. Eno ni chiente malutino pa president polkar gi chiero kere bolu remge ne gi chiero kanamu. Ma gi chiero gi geo hotel moro weng. Ya dano mat jemi yeme nono. Dano cham yeme nono. Kit gino ma ikanti kere anachula ko. Eno ni chiente ma family pa president gi chiero kere tua 10 million. Ene ki chul ki ngat mone manuti ka deno chan. Ngat mone tiki ngom eka piera biji ya pa. Ene ki chul kere. Kombere shawane. Umegi tika deno chan. Ya Jumani prison. Gitika deno chan. Arua prison. Like we are not having our prison in Gulo. His Excellency President Museveni. Are we not having our prison in Gulo? Are we not having any prison in Apa or in Amoro district? Are we not having any prison in Enwaya? Are we not having any prison in Acholi sub-region? His Excellency President Museveni. Right, I'm a supporter of NRM. I'm a regional supporter of the NRM. But I don't deal with the yes sir. I will never deal with the yes sir. If something wrong, I must say it wrong. If something good, I must say good. Mono policy mamega eno. Benefiting atumo ma bene kwanyo ke chwinya until I die. Until I die. Komberi chawane. Jami matete melo bachuli. Miyo chwe chwiny. Pe wan mawati NRM miyo chwe chwiny. weko dano magiti party mapapare gineno ni wan watika chwako lo mang'om. Wan watika chwako joma gitika miyo peko kadawa, joma tika miyo peko ki young generation wa in future. Wan watika chwako ne. Kaka luo wekti na titu loke na da. Lok ene ne perama chwer chuny President Museveni, lok ene perama chwer chuny to Duong Richard, lok ene perama chwer chuny General Otema Wany, lok ene perama chwer chuny Minister Mamegwa Andrew Riem Okelo, ento lok ene rama chwer chuny lo bol kui wan wachero kabito gen ne omiero go bol kui ki His Excellent Museveni kagota. Lok ene chwer chuny lo bol kui. Lok ene chwer wa chuny wan task force pa NRM. Lok ene chwer wa chuny agents pa NRM. Pingo jemi ma chwer chuny lo bol kui. Pingo kong pege chak kere. Our foundation is the voters. The big foundation oberu lo bol kui. Pingo pege chak kere. Pol karana waji loka wacho jone. Lok ma ana kwanyo ge eni. Lok ma ana logo ge dok an keidi KRISTO HUMMER. I pick from the grassroots. I always pick from the grassroots. And wonu tamane wiyama tiyo ene nenchala bere ping macha wai atamane ka lo koman kibe mara atamane ka lo koman kibe mara. This time angeo ne won machalo to duonge pobe romo wacho lok en port president won machalo minister Oriem Andrew Okelo unek Ilari ludir wamadon angeo ne ke will make will wo pobe romo wacho lok ene. But 2026 2031 kede bede do hon chena chalo ngoy lo bachuli cheka port president Museveni po kero chien meneno ni achulo miero beri kuj pege yel gi loka ngomgi lok metongo yena tata lok me ballo lonyo environment mati lo bachuli ka won po yibu ginene atari ki ma Museveni will never get any vote from northern Uganda. Museveni will never get any good vote from Acholi sub-region. I've already seen the politics from the grassroots. I've already seen completely. Museveni is doing comedy to the voters. And the voters also, they have started doing comedy to Museveni. Engin mo wego won, ana waje polkarwa State House. Security magiti State House. Umyorgu win an mabe. Security. Umyorgu win an mabe. Chwako Museveni kuberi loba chulo dako comedy. Dako comedy wa bodlo bol kui. Kitamu meni, okay, let me put on t-shirt, on yellow t-shirt. Oh, let me go and mobilize some group to come and put on a yellow t-shirt. Then I will get some percent from them. That's what happening in Acholi sub-region. Ka an na logo log bolo. Ngatomo quoting and wrong. Election, oro, let me say election, oro campaign in northern Uganda. Ulaka dako comedies. Ulaka dako comedy. Because our His Excellent President Museveni also doing comedy in northern Uganda. All the character of His Excellent President Museveni is doing a comedy in northern Uganda. Why not the voter also returned by comedy? Lok madore lokum ngama pa. Uchaka wa imwaka mene. Uchaka imwaka mene. Wan wakwanyo chwinyu wa mabe. Me yenyo kuigi President Museveni. Acholi ka omari. Let me tell you this. Acholi ka omaro in. Acholi mari 100%. Acholi pe beri chalo. Kakimu kene chalo Waganda. Mamari in because of money. Acholi pe maro in ni piyane tiki chiente. Actually marry for good. And to His Excellent President Museveni, petika mara actually for good. Kitma actually no mara and for good. Gin madong anamero like kone. I'm not a man of yes sir. Of course I like Museveni, but not because of money. Not because of Museveni money. I joined NRM since Museveni entered in power. I joined NRM. But not because of money. Kano ni piene pichene no kondo ngano peke enare mochon. Awajo lok eni bodano. Ento, ana chako beri enare mnining ma da anatika denu chan. Ada anatika laka di street. Our family's member tika laka di street. Piene ngoma pa akigeo. Chuk mo miro kony. Cholo kwan. Kilo bol kui. Chuk mo miro kony. Cholo kwan. Kimonto. Kitika kwanyo nego. Kitika gengu nego. Eni chwako Museveni beru mere. Ngom mati yorom. Komberi chawane. Dano ti wipeko. Kor mo jong tika yelo dano wipade. Kor mo jong yelo dano pe mwakati. Those are all politics. Peke mero acholo dong. Peke mero wan luo wa dong. Kawa logo da koman. You look for that guy you kill. You look for that guy you poisoning. He's going to spoil our way. Why don't you correct your way? You know even ingeyo ngomu miro initime yuni. Why don't you correct your way before? Eh? No. No. I said no. Polkar wan ki yero wa maraje grassroots. Why social media ki yero wa? One, you call the name of His Excellency President Museveni. They will start abusing you straight away from the social media. You call the name of NRM. They will start abusing you straight away. Can I blame them? Paramo blaming again. They are right. Yet magi yero they are right. Wa un honorable to Dwong Richard. Un magi yero woni weng. Jo magi yero wu a community. They are very right. Jo magi yero general tema a community. They are very right. Jo magi yero MPs wa a community. They are very right. Jo magi yero ludiro rori wa a community. They are very right. Piene pegi ramo yeto ino nono. Pegi ramo yeto ino nono. No tie gir maraj ma ini temo. Kamu Museveni temo gima maraj. Let us stop the use of yes sir. Oh yes sir. You talk well. Yes sir. Ingeyo kere wa gang kwan. Answer ati ario. Kere wa gang kwan madlutian padan cherwa kakwan. We have two answers in the school. In school we have two answers. No, yes. Now, for example, kadonge penny question dongne. Did Honorable Odonga kill 1,000 people in northern Uganda? How are you going to answer? How are you going to answer this question? Will you answer yes? Will you answer yes or no? That one automatically no. Honorable Odonga never killed anyone in northern Uganda. No. So, no is very important. No is very important. And no is the one always correct yes. No is the one always correct yes. Un jomo kwano. Lokene poro mo katekere. Polkar jomo ko kwano magitinge President Museveni pole when yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. What of no? Amero wachone en adwak boru megiwa. Honorable boss mi ko team, Honorable Odonga to. Umiero unu ngeni